Good morning. Namaste, India. I have got up in the morning and our today's theme of the breathing exercises is let it go. How to bring our attention, how to be in the present moment. You have seen different thoughts are there in your mind, and large number of thoughts in your mind of past events, past happenings, what we call as a karma. These past events, whether they were good, bad, failures, successes, tragedies, traumas, as corona pandemic, people are suffering from psychological brain fogs, they are passing through your mind. And at the same time, the future, your mind is also floating in the future, which does not exist at this moment of time. Then what exists at this moment of time? The present moment, this moment. The past and the future is what we call as Maya. How do we let it go and bring our entire mind into the present moment? Your mind, consciousness, how we bring in the present moment. There is a subconscious mind also below the conscious mind, in which we have to change the old patterns, the old thoughts, the old habits, the old beliefs which are residing. And one of the ways I will try is by using breathing and yoga, natural ways. So what I will do some breathing exercises. In order to let go of all the past events and let go of all the future which may happen, and let me bring my attention, focus on the present moment, and let me clear the subconscious mind, feed in the subconscious mind the present moment. So what type of breathing which we can do and yoga techniques which we can apply, let us see. I will take my glasses off. Stand in the Tadasana. Deep 3 breaths I will take, and inhale and exhale. Deep breathe in, exhale from the mouth. Deep breathe in, exhale from the mouth. Breathe in, breathe out. When I breathe in, my hands go up, and also I take my feet also up. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Open your feet little bit, 1 to 2 feet wide. Breathe in, take your neck to the left side. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, neck to the right. Breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now I will breathe. When I will breathe in, my neck goes up. When I breathe out, it goes down. Breathe in, breathe out. Look down, look up. Breathe in, breathe down. Breathe in, breathe down. Breathe up, breathe down. Now I will bend my body. When I will breathe in, I will bend backward, and when I will breathe, I will come forward. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now these are my two hands. I am keeping on my chest these two hands. When I will breathe in, I will move my hands up. Breathe out, I will bring back. So this will also, more oxygen will go into my lungs. Breathe in, open your hands. Slowly breathe out. Breathe in, open your hands. Breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. These are my two hands. Breathe in, close your all the fingers of the hand, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Stand erect. Breathe in, breathe down. Go as much down as possible. Breathe in, breathe down. Breathe in, breathe down. Breathe in, breathe down. Breathe in, breathe out. Relax. Now we will breathe in and do some sit-ups. When we breathe in, up, breathe out, down. Breathe in, sit, breathe out. Breathe in, sit, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe out and relax. Now I will rotate my fingers and hands, and breathing I will take towards this complete right side, and then I will close by breathe out. Start. Breathe in, rotate your fingers, rotate your hands. Breathe out. Slowly. Breathe in. Breathe out. Come back. Close your eyes. Observe your breath. You can already experience you are having some sweating. I am feeling some sweating. Some energy is being released inside my body. Closing my eyes and breathe in, breathe out. Observe your breath. Observe your breath. The breathing is going from the two nostrils, from my neck to the lungs, to the stomach, and to the entire body. As I breathe in, my belly expands like a balloon. As I breathe out, it squeezes. 3 breaths, deep breaths. And I make an affirmation in my body, in my mind. Affirmation in my body, in my mind. I let go all the past from my body and mind. Take a deep breath. Let it go. As you breathe out, let it go. And I also let go of all the future Maya, which is the thoughts which are in my mind. Breathe in, let it go. Now I bring all my attention, all my consciousness to the breath, to my breath, which is going through my nostril, neck, and to the entire body. I command my mind that I live in the present moment now, this very moment. And whatever actions I do, this very moment will decide my future. Open your eyes and look up at your palms. Look up the deep lines in your palms. Focus your attention on the lines of the palm. Keep breathing. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. These are the hands, these are the lines, these are the hands with which I can make my life, and I can bring my consciousness to the present moment. And whatever I do now, that will be my future, that will be my destiny of the life. नमस्ते, मैं फिर मिलता हूँ आपको कुछ और ब्रीदिंग और योगिक टेक्निक से, जो कि हमारे माइंड में जो नेगेटिव पावर है, नेगेटिव एनर्जीज हैं, नेगेटिव थॉट्स हैं, इन्हें रिमूव किया जाए और माइंड को खाली किया जाए, एम्प्टी किया जाए, डिलीट किया जाए पुराना सारा, और आज जो हम कर रहे हैं और उस पर फोकस किया जाए, कंसंट्रेट किया जाए और अपने गोल और मिशन को हम कामयाबी से हासिल कर सकें। इसीलिए हमारी फोकस, अटेंशन, कंसंट्रेशन जो है उसको लाने के लिए हमने ये ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइजेस की है और मुझे ये मदद करती हैं, हेल्प करती हैं। तो जो मैं डिस्कवर करता हूँ, मैं फ़ौरन इसको वीडियो बना के आपको डाल देता हूँ। अगर आपको इससे फ़ायदा हो सकता है, बेनिफिट हो सकता है, तो आप इसको ज़रूर कीजिए और मुझे उम्मीद है कि ये बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है और इससे आपको काफ़ी फ़ायदा होगा। नमस्ते।